Hello, friends. That is what I call an American pancake. Today I'm going to be making American style pancakes. You will need 225 grams of plain flour, 3 teaspoons of sugar, 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, some melted butter, 300 millilitres of milk, and from our chicken friends, 2 large eggs. First, we need to add all our dried ingredients together. Mix together. Then add your eggs to your milk. That chicken sounds like it's laying an egg. Now add your melted butter. That's about done. Now get your dry ingredients and get your wet ingredients. Pour it all in. Just give it a bit of a stir. Thank you, Wild Things Forest School, for my birthday present. To get all the lumps out, use a blender. Sucking all the mixture through. Put your pan on a medium heat. Now add your mixture into the jug. It's a bit lumpy. I'm going to give it more of a blend. That should be silky smooth. Now to pour my pancakes, you only need a little blob because they'll expand. I know when they're ready because bubbles start appearing on the edge and the edge of the circle goes a bit golden brown. I'm going to mix some more. Now I need to wait for that to go all bubbly and then I can flip it. That is such a good American pancake. I mean, look at that. Today we're having our pancakes with bacon and maple syrup. That one's done. Gee. I'm putting them on this plate to keep them warm. Deliciousness. Now it's time to enjoy. Bits of bacon, a little bit of maple syrup. Bon appetit! That is so good, especially with the bacon and maple syrup. I also like them with chocolate and sometimes some yogurt and some fruit. Thank you, chicken friends. Now to feed everyone else. Bye!